Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's been a long days ago that I have posted a video. That's not a problem, I am here to post new contents like the same. So now in this video, we are going to see the technical specification of the new Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, the all-roadster. The Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 has been calibrated by riders, not robots, for real-world riding. Made for every rider at every level of riding experience, it delivers maximum sensation and agility, no matter which power band you are in. An upright riding stance, approachable seat height, and ultra-responsive chassis make it the perfect machine for everyday, any-day riding, from traffic to twisties. Looks good naked. The Guerrilla 450 is all about design without distractions. No flashy frills, no pointless plastics. It has an athletic build with perfect angles, purposeful edges, and muscles in all the right places. This is a machine that looks as good as it rides. More growl for the prowl. The Guerrilla 450 wasn't designed for spec sheets or racetrack fantasies. It was made for one thing and one thing only: riding. This motorcycle is tuned with real modes for real roads, featuring the 452cc liquid-cooled Sherpa engine that keeps you kinetic across the rev range, no matter what gear you're in. Guerrilla 450 highlights, featuring our 452cc liquid-cooled Sherpa engine with 40 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque. The Royal Jabber Guerrilla 450 is tuned to pack power across the rev range in any and every situation. Jibber moods go from performance mode to eco mode within seconds, courtesy of an ultra-responsive EMS system, which comes with the added advantage of increased fuel economy. TFT cluster, access your music, messages, maps, and more without taking your phone out with the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450's Tripper TFT display, featuring Google Maps and a 2.45 GHz Wi-Fi 5 chipset. Intuitive ergonomics, a low seat, mid-set foot pegs, and upright stance. The Guerrilla 450's ergonomics adapt to your riding style and enable you to handle everything, from traffic snarls to tight corners. Wide profile tubeless tires. The Guerrilla 450's 17-inch wheels, 120/70 front and 160/60 rear, wide profile tubeless tires with bespoke tread pattern keep you in control through all speeds and all situations. Chassis and suspension. With its twin downtube spine frame, 43mm telescopic front suspension, and a 140mm linkage-type monoshock rear suspension by Showa, the Guerrilla 450 is hardwired for handling from the heart. Specifications. Engine, type liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4 valves, Borex stroke mm, 84.4. Displacement 450cc. Compression ratio 11.5 to 1. Maximum power 40.02 PS, 29.44 on 8,000 RPM. Maximum torque 40.2 PS, 29.4 at 8,000 RPM. Idle RPM 1300. Starting system electric start. Lubrication semi-dry sump. Engine oil grade 10W40 API SN A2, semi-synthetic. Clutch wet multiplate, slip and assist. Gearbox 6-speed. Fuel injection, electronic fuel injection, 42mm throttle body. Ride-by-wire system. Chassis and suspension. Type steel, tubular frame, using engine as stressed member. Front suspension telescopic forks, 43mm. Front wheel travel, 140 max. Rear suspension linkage type monoshock. Rear wheel travel 150mm. Dimensions and weights. Wheelbase 1400mm. Ground clearance 169 mm. Length 2090mm. Width 883. Height 111.25mm without mirrors. Seat height 780 Dry weight 170 kg. Curb weight 90% fuel 185 kg. Payload WAP standard equipment. Jabber. Fuel jibber 11 litre. Brakes and tyres. Tyres Jabber R17. Tyres Jabber R17. Brakes front hydraulic disc brake. 310mm ventilated disc, double piston caliper. Brakes rear hydraulic disc brake, 270mm ventilated disc, single piston caliper. ABS Jibble ABS. Electricals. Electrical system 12. Jabber. Battery 12V 8 amps. Headlamp LED headlamp. Tail lamp, turn signal lamp, degraded turn and tail lamp, all LED. Other equipment ride modes. USB Type-C charging point. Cluster 4-inch round TFT display with phone connectivity. Full map navigation, powered by Google Maps. Media. Cluster, base model. Digi-analog instrument cluster, Tripper pod optional.